So here we are. We've had our blizzard, except for some reason the wind scoured the side of our house. And so there's our lawn, and here's the side. You can walk right around the entire side of the house. Right to here, which is handy. Hello.
I just have to move past here.
For getting the snowblower
No.
out of the garage. It was nice of nature to leave you a little path.
Yeah, it wasn't so nice of them to pile the snow up against the garage door. Hey Evan, you're gonna have to move because I'm gonna be blowing snow that direction in a minute.